Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's make a honey mustard chicken sandwich today. I use chicken thighs to make this sandwich. First of all, get rid of the bones. If you want, you can cut off this extra fat. As always, soak in the water and clean well. Let's make a honey mustard sauce. 1 part of yellow mustard and 1.5 part of mayonnaise. I add some dry mustard. One tablespoon maple syrup, half tablespoon of white vinegar. 1 tablespoon of honey. If you don't have maple syrup, you can put 2 tablespoons of honey. I don't use oil. If you prefer oil, you can put oil to fry this chicken. Add salt and pepper. Please give a like if you enjoyed my video. Subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. Saving and sharing with your friends. Ring the bell, then you won't miss my future new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.